Foldable smartphones have been around for several years now, but there has always been one major question in the tech world: when will Apple finally release a foldable iPhone? According to recent leaks and industry reports, that moment may not be too far away. Multiple sources now suggest that Apple is actively working on its first foldable smartphone, and the device could arrive as early as fall 2026. Apple has always been known for entering new product categories later than other companies. Instead of rushing new technology to market, the company prefers to spend extra time refining the user experience. This strategy has worked well for Apple in the past, and it could be the same case with foldable devices. While other brands already sell foldable phones, Apple may try to deliver a more polished and refined product when it finally launches its own version. One of the most exciting aspects of the rumored foldable iPhone is its design. According to leaks, Apple is expected to use a book-style folding design. This means the phone will open sideways like a small tablet rather than flipping vertically like some compact foldable phones. When unfolded, the device could feature a large 7.8-inch internal display. This bigger screen may provide a tablet-like experience that is ideal for watching videos, reading documents, browsing the internet, or multitasking between apps. On the outside, reports suggest the device will include a 5.55-inch cover display. This outer screen would allow users to quickly check notifications, reply to messages, or handle simple tasks without needing to open the phone. Another interesting detail involves the shape of the outer screen. Some existing foldable phones have very tall and narrow displays that can feel uncomfortable for everyday use. Apple may choose a wider cover screen, which could make typing, scrolling, and browsing feel much more natural. The display technology itself may also bring a major improvement. One of the biggest complaints about foldable phones today is the visible crease where the screen folds. Even though manufacturers have improved foldable displays over the years, the crease is still noticeable on many devices. Apple reportedly spent years working on this issue. In fact, earlier rumors suggested the company delayed its foldable iPhone project because engineers wanted to reduce the crease as much as possible before releasing the product. Now, new leaks indicate Apple may have achieved a major breakthrough. Reports suggest the crease depth could be around 0.15 millimeters or even less, with a fold angle of under 2.5 degrees. In simple terms, this could make the crease almost invisible during normal use. If this turns out to be true, Apple's foldable display could deliver one of the smoothest viewing experiences in the entire foldable phone market. Software will also be extremely important for the device. The foldable iPhone is expected to run a special version of iOS optimized for foldable screens, possibly based on iOS 27. Instead of simply stretching regular apps to fit a larger display, Apple may redesign many apps so they take full advantage of the bigger screen. When the phone is unfolded, apps could switch to layouts that feel more like a tablet interface. This would allow users to see more information at once and interact with apps more comfortably. Multitasking could also improve significantly. Users may be able to run two apps side by side, making it easier to browse the web while taking notes, watch videos while chatting, or work across multiple apps at the same time. Even if the multitasking system is not as advanced as the one found on iPads, it could still make the device far more productive than a typical smartphone. The camera design may also change. Earlier rumors suggested Apple was experimenting with an under-display camera, but recent reports indicate the company may choose a simpler and more reliable approach. The foldable iPhone could feature punch-hole cameras on both the internal and external displays. This design would maintain strong camera quality, while still keeping the display clean and modern. Interestingly, the device may not include the traditional notch or dynamic island seen on recent iPhones. Instead, Apple could create a new interface around the punch-hole camera that works in a similar way. Notifications, alerts, and quick controls might appear around the camera area for convenient interaction. Performance is expected to be another strong point. The foldable iPhone may run on Apple's upcoming A20 Pro chip, which could be built using an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. This would make the processor faster while also improving power efficiency. Efficiency is especially important for foldable devices because large screens consume more battery. A more efficient chip could deliver smoother performance while also extending battery life. The processor may also improve Apple Intelligence features and handle AI-based tasks more quickly. Biometric security may change as well. Instead of using Face ID, Apple might bring back Touch ID. The fingerprint sensor could be integrated into the side power button, allowing users to unlock the phone easily in different positions. Durability is another key focus. The hinge is one of the most important components of a foldable device. Apple may use an advanced liquid metal hinge, which is known for its strength and resistance to wear. This could help the hinge stay durable even after thousands of folds. The body of the phone may also combine titanium and aluminum, creating a design that is both strong and lightweight. Battery life is expected to improve as well. Leaks suggest the foldable iPhone could include a battery between 5,000 and 5,500 mAh, which should provide solid battery performance even with the large display. As for the launch timeline, most reports suggest Apple could introduce the foldable iPhone in fall 2026 alongside the next generation of flagship iPhones. Because foldable technology is still expensive, the device will likely come with a premium price. Many leaks suggest a starting price of around $2,000, although earlier rumors mention figures closer to $2,400. If these rumors turn out to be accurate, Apple's first foldable iPhone could combine powerful hardware, refined software, improved durability, and a carefully designed user experience. Apple may be entering the foldable market later than other brands, but its goal seems clear: create a foldable phone that finally feels complete.